favorite subject to talk about is story structure. And I like to break things down, and luckily my friends tolerate this, and some will even go on these deep dives with me. And I'm always trying to figure out how to explain what I do to other people who either are not in this industry or who don't understand romance. Please understand that romance is my first language. I speak fluent mystery, thriller, and suspense. I am passable in like military, sci-fi. I'm passable in RPG, but then you start to lose me. Like post-apocalypse, I don't speak that language very well. So I'm gonna constantly default to my first language of romance, and I speak all the dialects and all the subgenres as well. But I do have some non-romancy examples in case there are some of you who are visiting Romancelandia for the first time. So when I was trying to break down how to construct a romance novel using a lot of the knowledge that I have from writing television and episodic television, I came up with these 5 pacing points that you cannot miss. And I did notice that these pacing points, that they also translate into other genres. And these 5 pacing points are first dealing with the main character and creating empathy with that main character. Then there's always a meet cute with the ensemble cast, usually 2 lovers, where they meet for the first time on the page. There's the fun and games section, which is a collection of scenes or chapters, which is the evidence of falling in love in a romance or getting close in a buddy film. It's also the clues and the bangs and the explosion in a thriller or a suspense. Then we come to the dark moment, and that's where the relationship is tested, not necessarily that the 2 individuals, 2 or more, have to break up. We were having a great discussion about this at lunch, but the relationship needs to be tested, in my opinion, in some kind of a way. And then finally, there's that grand gesture where the characters prove that their bond, whether it be love or friendship or something else, will hold for a lifetime, or at least once the pages of the book are closed.